Hello students, welcome to IITJEE. In this video, we will discuss about JEE Mains 2026 24th morning shift paper. Not only discussing each subject, we will discuss about overall difficulty and expected performance trend. Let's get started. Coming to the mathematics section, it was moderate to difficult, which requires 65 to 75 minutes. And coming to the topic-wise distribution, 3 questions were asked from trigonometry algebra 1, and 3 questions were asked from geometry 1, 2 questions were asked from calculus 1, and 6 questions were asked from algebra 2, and 3 questions were asked from geometry 2, which was conic section, and 4 questions were asked from calculus 2, 4 questions were asked from functional algebra. By seeing the question paper pattern with PYQ based multi-concept questions involving lengthy multi-step calculations, making the section highly time consuming despite being conceptual doable. Okay, comparing with the previous year paper, it was more lengthy and calculation heavy than 2025 with tougher multi-step questions, making it more time consuming despite similar concepts. Coming to the key insights of this paper, it was lengthy multi-step questions, increased time pressure. Calculus was the biggest time consuming area in this paper. Algebra and coordinate geometry were doable but calculation heavy. Concept level was manageable, execution decided the scores. And last part, which is smart question selection, was the crucial in this paper. About this paper, if we observe that it was moderate to difficult. Coming to the physics paper, it was moderate to difficult, which requires 60 to 70 minutes. Coming to the topic wise distribution, mechanics 1 where 4 questions asked, 3 questions were asked from mechanics 2, 3 questions were asked from thermal physics, 4 questions were asked from wave and optics, electromagnetism 7 questions, modern physics 3 questions. By seeing the question paper pattern, it was lengthy, calculation heavy, application based questions with moderate conceptual depth, dominated by mechanics and required careful time management. Comparing with the previous year paper, it was more calculation intensive and time consuming than most 2025 shifts, with fewer direct formula based questions and a stronger focus on multi-step problem solving. By seeing the key insights of this paper leaned towards lengthy numerical problems rather than direct formula based questions. Mechanics dominated difficulty and time consumption. Modern physics acted as the main scoring area with relatively straightforward questions. Overall performance depend more on accuracy and smart question selection than speed. Difficulty level placed in it among the tougher shifts of this session. This was about the physics section, which is moderate to difficult. Now if you see the chemistry paper, which is the easy to moderate paper in this overall remaining 2 subjects, which requires 55 to 65 minutes. If you observe the topic wise distribution, inorganic were asked 8 questions, organic were 9 questions, physical chemistry 8 questions. By observing the question paper pattern, it was easy to moderate paper with mostly statement based questions and assertion reason questions, making it lengthy and time consuming despite simple concepts. By comparing with previous year paper, the paper was more statement based and lengthier, required extra time to careful reading, even though the overall difficulty level remained similar. And final part, which is key insights of this paper, overall level was easy to moderate but paper felt lengthy, and statement based and assertion reason questions increased reading time. Physical chemistry was calculation heavy and time consuming. And also if you see the inorganic, which includes coordination, had multi-step questions needing careful analysis. Organic chemistry was the relatively doable and scoring, and also if you see the last part, which is time management, played a key role in overall performance. Okay, by seeing this overall this paper, chemistry was the scoring subject in this paper. And coming to the expected good score of and cutoff analysis, if you score 196 marks, you will get 99 percentile. If you score 151 marks, you will score 95 percentile, and for 112 marks you will get 90 percentile. And overall paper, chemistry was the doable and other 2 subjects were moderate to difficult. For more updates, we will let you know in the next video. Thanks for watching.